Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating hardware and permissions. This saves time. First, confirm the Swift ZXI infotainment supports wired CarPlay and has recent firmware. Next, plug an Apple-certified Lightning cable into the car's USB port labeled CarPlay or smartphone. Make sure the iPhone is unlocked. Once done, enable Siri and respond to the on-screen CarPlay authorization on your phone. This initial chain, firmware, cable, Siri, unlock, establishes the secure connection needed for audio, navigation, and messaging to appear. Once connected, you focus on configuration for usability and safety. On the iPhone, go to Settings, General, then CarPlay. Select the Swift ZXI or add it as a new vehicle to manage layout. In the head unit, choose Apple CarPlay as the active input and accept permission requests for contacts, maps, and messages so apps can integrate. Then customize app order and enable Do Not Disturb while driving to reduce distractions. These steps optimize the interface and ensure critical functions work reliably when you drive. You finish by verifying each feature and addressing common failures. Test audio playback, navigation voice directions, and phone calls. Adjust head unit and iPhone volume if a microphone or speaker issue appears. If CarPlay won't connect, try a different Apple-certified cable, restart your iPhone, and update the car's firmware. These fixes resolve most faults. Make sure Bluetooth is disabled to avoid wired CarPlay conflicts, unless the ZXI supports wireless CarPlay. If problems persist, consult dealer service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.